Dear students, in this video, I will show you how to make this kind of, okay, a gear, okay. Yeah, from here to here, it's a straight gear, and yeah, from here to here, and from here to here, it's a twisted gear, okay. How to do this one? First, we create a sketch like this one, okay. Sketch like this one, okay. So like this one, we're going to use rotate tool for making this sketch, okay, and copy that sketch and make in the middle, okay. Copy that sketch here, okay, copy that sketch here. So then we use multi-section solid, change the closing point of sketch 1 and sketch 2, okay. If the closing point for the sketch 1 is here, for example, if the closing point for the sketch 1 is here, so for the sketch 2 should we change it to here, then you will get a this kind of twist, okay, right side twist, okay. If you change that one to here, you will get a left side twist. But here, for in this figure, we should have a right side twist, right side twist. I will show you both the twists, okay. And yeah, and then yeah, from here to here, right, it's a pad, just a straight, right. You don't need to use multi-section solid. So just only you have to make two sections and make one section pad and the other side multi-section solid. Okay, sorry. So twisted here. Yeah, first we choose. Yeah, this one is right side view, and this one is front view. Okay, so we choose visor plane for making the shape of the gear. Okay, so diameter of the gear is 200, outside diameter. Okay, so 200 diameter, and with circle, right, we make circle, or you can also use arc. I prefer circle. Okay, so either here or here, make one circle and then we can copy that here or here. Okay, I make here, so the circle is touching the last circle and the vertical line. Okay, coincidence. If not doing coincidence, you have to make a center point and the vertical line coincidence. Okay, so here we have two coincidences. One is with the vertical line and another one is with the circle. Okay, last circle. So radius of that circle is 12.5. That means the diameter should be, I will choose the radius 12.5. And we should trim the upper portion. And yeah, now we're going to use rotate. I told you in the class, right? So is rotate. I want to make this one. How many are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remaining or 11 copies, okay? With the angle, right? If there are 11 copies, what is the angle between each one? 30 degrees, okay? Total 12 copies, right? 360 by 12 gives 30 degrees. So rotate this one, right? Select this one. And how many times? 11 times, not 12, okay? And duplicate mode, keep the duplicate mode, and constraint conservation, use that one. And we should select the center point of rotation, okay, and the angle is 30 degrees. So I'm doing it one more time, right? First select this one. I want to make this one rotate, I mean copy several times, 11 times, okay. So rotate, we use rotate tool here. below the mirror, you can see the rotate. So 11 instances, okay, not 12, 11 instances, 11, and center point should be here. You should select the center point of the rotation. Okay, this one. And how many degrees between each? 30 degrees, because there are 12, 360 by 12. Okay, and now, yeah, we already did that one, so we should remove this in between, right? We need to use, you double click here, right? If you double click here, you can use the tool continuously, okay? So trim the extra lines. Okay, yes. So that one is the shape of the gear, okay? And yeah, so we create a plane backside of the YZ plane, and the gap is 200. So the reference plane is YZ plane, select reverse direction and 200. Okay, backside. Okay, because I need to have twisted configuration at the back. Okay, and now we don't need to make this sketch again. Copy this sketch. Okay, copy this sketch to here, paste here. Okay, and now we use multi-section solid, right? Yeah, multi-section solid is this one and this one. So you see now the closing point, same point for the both section. Now, if you click on OK, so you just to get the straight configuration or just pad. Okay, so like this one, right? You will just get the pad, okay? But we have to change the closing point too, because I want to get a twisted configuration, right? I want to connect this point to this point, okay? Like this one, okay? So this point to this point, 2 points, okay, 2 points away from the original point. Replace this one to here. So because I want to have a twisted configuration, the right side, okay? If you want to have a twisted configuration like this one, you should change to 2 points ahead, okay? I will also show that one, okay? Click on okay. So it's wrong, okay? I think I did not that one. Delete. Too much. I selected. I say some confusing. Okay, now at the same point, right? So yeah, sorry, 2 points replaced to here, not here. Okay, so preview. I want to connect this one to this one, okay, this one to this one. So actually original is here, right? So 2 points, okay, here. Yeah, okay, yeah, and so front side, right? Front side pad. So what is the sketch? That is sketch 1, right? So pad, sketch 1. Okay, what is the dimension of a pad? 200. Okay, so by default it is just making the front side. So sketch 1, right? You don't need to make another sketch, sketch 1 only, but now hiding, you can select that one. Okay, so this one. Okay, so you can see the front view, sorry, you can see the right view. Okay, it's like this one. But if you want to have a, yeah, that is according to figure I made. Okay, if you want to have a left hand side twist, okay, I mean other direction, so then change the closing point. Okay, so right now the closing point for, you can see the front view. Okay, front view, yeah, for second sketch, the closing point, right? Replace to, yeah. So this is 1 point and 2 points ahead, okay? Yes. So update. So use Control U to update. Okay, left side twist. Okay, left side twist. So that is how we make twisted configurations using the multi-section solid. If you see the right side, you now is different. Okay, like this one, not like this. Okay, not like this. Okay, thank you.